How's that going to go down your digestive system there, buddy?
There's another one. Oh, we needed to bring 2 cheeses, maybe.
You should get a picture of this.
I got it on video.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to give him any spicy summer sausage, though. I'll fuck him up.
Might mess him up, yeah.
Shit like a goose.
So here we are in Estes Park. What trail is this?
This is Loch Vale.
Loch Vale. We're sharing our snacks with the locals.
Watch this.
Is that sausage?
Yeah. I know.
Oh, the word's gonna get out now. Yep, I saw another one. There's a third one. He's like, excuse me, sir. I heard about you sausage situation. She took the whole thing.
Shit.
Actually scared me.
Sorry. I was cutting off a little piece for him, and then he took my entire slice of sausage. Do you see him chasing after it when it was rolling down?
Yeah. They're binging on it right now.
Sorry to scare you.